welcome back to another monthly reset. We are resetting for December. How's it already December? Sorry. Cosmo has just seen me start to film and now he wants to be picked up. You want to come and say hi? Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. It's December. But yeah, hi, hey. We are resetting for December, and you know how at the start of every monthly reset we do a little recipe. Today's recipe is going to be mini cheesecakes. I have never made these before, but it's something I've always wanted to make, so let's make them. So I've just gone ahead and crushed up half a pack of Arnott's biscuits. It just comes in the milk arrowroot thing. I bought 2 sleeves of these and I only needed half, so might have to make some more. But before we get started, let me read you out the recipe in case you want to make it with me. So for the mini cheesecake crust, you will need 120 grams. I did 100 grams. Okay, that's our first mistake of the day. So you'll need 120 grams of crushed up biscuits, 40 grams of granulated sugar, 50 grams of unsalted butter melted, and for the cheesecake filling, 450 grams of brick style cream cheese. So I just got this Philadelphia cream cheese. It comes in a twin pack and altogether it's 500 grams. So that's pretty much perfect. You need 80 grams or a third of a cup of sour cream at room temperature, 100 grams or half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs at room temperature. And there's lots of instructions, so I think I'm just going to screenshot them, put them on the screen and get started. I'm so excited to make these! I've just learned that each bicky is 10 grams, so that makes it really easy to measure it out. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Spot for the goals and habits section of the monthly reset, because as you can see I'm doing a puzzle. Let's see how we went with our goals and our habits. I'm not too confident with this month, if I'm being completely honest. Hello! Hi! Come on up! Cosmo, up! Which way? You want to come this way? This way? Hi! Hi! Okay, so please excuse this little weird blue thing at the top. I don't want to update it right now because I'm in the middle of waiting for my cheesecake to bake and I just want to do it. So ignore the big blue thing at the top. I don't want to update it right now. I hate things but you can't get rid of it till you update it. I absolutely hate that, and the fact that this is bright blue is really, I'm not loving it right now. Anyway, before I get into this, to sum it up, this is how I use Notion, and I'm not a fan of it. I just have one thing that's brain dump, and every time I want to put something into Notion, I just immediately go to the brain dump page, and brain dump is like paragraphs and paragraphs and like so many scrolls, which is not the way that you should use Notion. But anyway, yeah. See, I literally have my 2 shopping things for today, the biscuits and the cream cheese, and this is where I put my groceries, just in like a little tab, which is just, anyway. And if you see the quote at the bottom, this is one thing I really wanted to mention today. I saw this reel of this guy running, and he basically was running, and then he said this, and something just clicked in my brain that's like, oh my god, that is the perfect way to put this thing into words. It says, to be lame in the eyes of somebody I would never want to be like is nothing but an ultimate success. And from someone who like really cares what people think about them, this quote just, it itched a part of my brain that it just works in my head. I don't know. So like someone that I don't want to be like, I don't really like their presence, I don't like their energy, and if they think badly of me, or if they think I'm lame for doing something, like that really gets to me. But like why would you want them, why would you want that kind of person to, like, do you know what I mean? I don't know, yeah. He just said it so well. To be lame in the eyes of somebody I would never want to be like is nothing but an ultimate success. Isn't that just the coolest quote? I don't know, it really resonated with me. And yeah, I literally said here in the film reset, in brackets, mention quote. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so my monthly goals: finish a book. No, I did not finish a book. I don't know why I keep putting that on there. It would be really nice to finish one, but I think I'm in a little bit of a book slump because I'm not loving the book that I'm in, even though I'm only like 30 pages into it. But yeah, I just got to push through. So no, I did not finish a book this month. 5,000 steps 5 times. I didn't track this very well, so let's actually go into the health app and have a look and see how I did. I did 5,800 steps. So I did it on the 4th of November, the 9th of November, the 18th of November, the 24th of November. Oh, I did it 4 times out of 5. That's so annoying. Did I miss one? I don't think I did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's so annoying. I was so close to hitting that goal. No, I did not achieve that. That is so sad. Upload 4 videos. I think I might have done that. Yeah, by the time this video goes live, I would have uploaded 4 videos this month. One of them was my China vlog, which you guys seem to absolutely love, so thank you for all the love on that video. So yes, I can tick that one off, upload 4 videos, 700 subscribers. Guys, we hit the goal again. How crazy is that? I think every month I think I'm shooting for the stars, but then I hit the goal and I'm like, oh my god, like how cool is that? So at this current point in time, I have 728 subscribers. That's cool. So thank you if you've recently subscribed to my channel, or if you've just joined us, welcome to the little family. Work out once a week is our next goal. Did I do that? I worked out 3 times, but it wasn't once a week. I think the first one was on the 1st of November because I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna hit this goal this month. The second one was on the 2nd of November. I'm like, oh, easy, I can do this. The third one was on the 5th of November, and that was the last time. So no, I did not work out once a week. I worked out 3 times in 1 week. Of course, that's how it goes. We can maybe hit that next month. Go to the beach once a week. I think we did do this. I can't remember tracking it, but I do feel like we've been to the beach at least once a week this month, so I'm going to tick that one off. Finalize 3 designs. How many do I have? 1, 2. I do! I have 3 designs finalized! And something really exciting, I've actually placed a few orders with my manufacturer that I've chosen, so some products are going to get shipped to me, and that's the first step in the process. So it's finally coming to life. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go to the YouTube tracking. Okay, so subscribers, what did we say? 728. I just think this is so fun just to like see them all in this one spot. I don't know, I think that's really cool. Okay, watch hours. We have 4,229. And views, we have 116,120, and that was for November 2023. Cool. So the watch hours and the views have been quite different from month to month, because my September to October jumped like 45,000 views, which is crazy, and then this one here has jumped 10,000. So I'm thinking maybe for my goal this month I won't set it as high, just so it's achievable. So I'm gonna go with, what are we at now? I've checked this so many times. 728. So I'm thinking we could either shoot for the stars and go 800. I feel like I might be disappointed by that, so I'm thinking maybe 777. That's quite a fun number. I'll go 777. Upload 4 videos. I do still want to keep that. I also want to keep this 5,000 steps 5 times. Look, I'm going to take finish a book off there because I'm not really inclined to do that. I don't really want to do it and I don't feel the need to. Work out once a week, I would like to keep that one on there. Go to the beach once a week. And then for this one, I think I might say start marketing. So I think I'm going to post consistently on Reels. I still don't know how I feel about TikTok. I still don't know how I feel about it. So I'm thinking Reels is going to be the way to go. Like I'm going to do Instagram marketing for like a month before I launch. And yeah, so I think I just want to start that because if the orders are... Oh, that's my cheese. Sorry if the audio or anything has changed. My camera just died at the exact same time that the timer for the mini cheesecakes went off. But I don't think I had anything else to say when it came to that sort of thing. But I want to show you my cheesecakes. Look how cute! So the recipe says to let the mini cheesecakes cool in the tin for like an hour and then into the fridge for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours, but preferably overnight. So I'll check back in with you in 3 to 4 hours because I don't want to wait till tomorrow. Actually, I was just about to clean my kitchen and do a little like time-lapse thing, and I just realized as I went to put music on that I forgot to talk about music. But to be completely honest, this month all I've been listening to are the vault tracks from 1989 Taylor's version, literally on repeat. Those 5 songs all month. Rowan is going absolutely crazy. Like, I completely understand. I think it's normal to fixate on a song or two for months and months at a time, because that's just what I've always done. But I can see how it would frustrate everyone around me. So yeah, I've literally just been listening to the same 5 Taylor Swift songs all month, so I have no new songs to update you with. Yeah. Oh, actually, last night I started listening to the audiobook because Spotify has introduced this thing. Cosmo's growling at me, sorry. I'll be 1 second. Spotify has introduced this thing that if you have a premium plan, you can get some audiobooks for free. And so I started listening to the Ned Brockman audiobook because I just love his journey. He's a guy, if you have never heard of Ned Brockman before, he's a guy that in 2022, I think it was October, he ran from Cottesloe Beach in Perth to Bondi Beach in Sydney. He ran it. Like, it blows my mind. Like, he's such a crazy dude. But like, I don't know, Hamish Blake is like on this audiobook, and I've seen on his Instagram that Scotty Cam is a big fan of Ned, and it's just, I don't know, I just love his journey. I love his attitude towards everything. And yeah, so I've started listening to that audiobook, but apart from that, I have nothing new in the music space, unfortunately. I don't have anything to share. But yeah, anyway, let's clean this kitchen. And the montage will run until this camera dies. Oh, I need to learn to charge my cameras. Anyway, I'll chat to you when the cheesecakes are cool and we can taste them. Once the flight had flown, dream of my mouth before it called you a lying traitor. Was it over? About to try the mini cheesecakes. Rowan's off to the gym.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good time. Cosmo's gonna go see him out. Do you want me to get the gate?
Yes, please.
Yep. I'll be back. I also forgot that I did a load of washing today, so I have another job for the night. Anyway, back to the cheesecake. I'm very excited. I sort of had to like squish them into an airtight container because we didn't have any big ones. Well, let's see how it goes. Oh, the base is set really well. Cosmo's just come running in. Hello, Cosmo. So that's what it looks like. First taste test. It's very crumbly. I need a plate or a bowl. Look, I'd say it's alright, but I don't think it's the best cheesecake I've ever tasted. The recipe did say to add toppings on top, so maybe that would make it better, like whipped cream and things like that. Like, it's a really nice flavour, but I think I'd maybe give it like a 7 out of 10. So like nothing overly great, but I will definitely still be having one every single night, of course. I don't know why I thought this would be the best thing ever. Maybe just because I've never made mini cheesecakes before. It's just every single time you bite into the crust, half of it just falls. So yeah, I think the crust needs to be a little bit sturdier, but the cheesecake bit tastes incredible. I would say a solid 7 out of 10 for this one. But that is all for our December monthly reset. I still can't believe it. I still cannot believe we're in December. Absolutely wild. This year has just gone so fast. Anyway, thank you so much for coming along with me. Sorry I'm not looking my best. We've just had dinner. It's the end of the night. But yeah, thank you so much for coming along with me for this monthly reset, and I will see you next month. Thanks for watching. Bye. Also, this was the tripod you were sitting on. Very professional.